Half a day, everyone, and welcome to Living It Good. Today it's 11:37 in the morning, about to be noon, and I decided that, today's a nice day to hit up the southern part of Guam and fish a little bit for a couple hours, maybe a few hours. We'll see today how lazy we get. It's pretty hot right now, and what you see behind me across right there is Cocos Island, and beautiful island. Right now I'm at it says 24 feet because I'm at the ledge right here, but you can see the coral right here. The lagoon is very beautiful. But today's plan is to hit up a little bit of coastline right here, get a couple of pan fry. I haven't been fishing for I want to say over 3 weeks now because the weather's been too windy, and had too many projects at home that I had to put fishing on the backside for a little bit. But today's setup, same. My 3000 size reel and a light jigging rod right here. And my lure of choice is a small 20-gram flashy metal, right? And I put a small fly here to see if we can entice some fish to come and check it out. All right. Anyhow, enjoy. Hopefully we catch some action, and you'll be able to see it on the video. Hey y'all, this is the reality of using metal. Already snagged right here on the corals, and I don't think I can take this off. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, look at that. There's no reason I got snagged right away. A what is this? Honeycomb spotted a grouper, hit it, and then it went straight to the bottom. All right, look at that. Okay, I thought I got snagged. It ate it, but all right. Hopefully this is a good luck today. I really thought I got snagged. I couldn't take it out. Finally came off, but man, it damaged my line. Holy crap! I just put this to. All right, first one. Maybe this thing can go to the boat. What we got? Oh, look at that. It took the fly. All right. This bad boy is pan fry, so we're keeping the pan fry. There you go. Got something with a good size. Another pan fry. I mean, it's not giant. Oh, look at that. Double, baby. Double. Two gadao, man. 2 in 1. All right, we're keeping this one right here. This one took the fly. Definitely pan fry size, good size. All right, the other one is going home. I mean, going back to his home. We're letting this one go. Let go and grow. All right. Good sign today. Good sign. We're catching early on the fishing trip. Normally, sometimes you don't catch right away. Well, forgot to video this right here. We got another double. One small took the fly, and another one took the jig. But what we're gonna do, We're gonna release the bigger one. We're gonna take live bait. I'm gonna live bait this later, so I need to take the smaller one, put it on my live bait tube right here. Alright, we're gonna keep those smaller ones for live bait. I mean, the GP will love those small fish. Alright, we're gonna try it. This area right here, 43 feet. No indication, I just want to drop here. There you go, baby. It ate it on the drop because it was still dropping. It's a small one, of course. Man, there's a lot of grouper here, you know, but they're shy of being a pan fry for me. So this one is going back home to its home. Oh man, I think I'm tangled on my own line. No, there's fish. Look at that. But they're tiny, you know, tiny fish. All right, we'll let go one and we'll keep one small one for the live bait. The bigger one goes back to its home. All right, I'm not gonna put my finger in here. Go home, buddy. This one though, this one is gonna be live bait, baby. All right, live bait. I'd prefer a goatfish for live bait, but that's what I got, so that's what we're gonna work on. Man, I'm at 12 feet, but let's try it. You never know, right? 12 feet, 12 feet. This thing will sink so fast. And I'm casting it to the shallow side, so it's probably only like 6 feet over there. All right, that's it. Woo! All right. Man, I'm at 10 feet right now. You know, hold up. I've always wanted to try to go fish shallower side like this, just to see if I get hit using actual lures. Let me see. All right, pink. Okay, we'll try pink. Okay, we'll try pink. This is definitely an experiment. I'm so shallow right. I'm at the very shallow side right now. 11 feet. So we're gonna try this right here. Swim bait with a little bit of lead to the front, and I put eye. So we'll see this. This is a very light setup. We'll see if this thing works. All right, let's see. This is a good looking lure. We'll see. This thing is super light. I really don't know how to play it. I'm just gonna jig it a little bit and reel it in slowly. Whoa, dang. Oh, I definitely felt that, man. It took a chunk on the bottom of the jig. I don't know if you can see it, but it took a big chunk right there. It didn't swallow it. Dang. All right, well, it's still good. It still looks good, the profile. So we'll try again. Maybe this time we'll let it eat it. They're just eating the bait, taking a nip. So if it's something like that, I'm thinking it's a it could be a trigger fish. Most likely it's probably a trigger fish. Dang, I don't know if they're all pre-rigged. I'm not sure if I have another one. Let's put the trash here. Let me see if I have another one. I mean, it works, right? That thing works, but yeah, I don't think I have a I'm gonna have to change that, but I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out one. Take out one out of the hook here. All right, not sure if the profile is good, but looks good enough. All right, let's try it again. There you go. All right, all right. So I'm talking about. It's a small one, of course, but it bit it. It bit it. So it works, y'all. Lure. Huh. Got me wet there. All right, so there you go. That's the proof. Come on, what the heck. All right. So that's the proof, right? It works. I could probably use that for live bait, but I already have 3, I think.
Week or month?
0.
During the past 30 days, how often did you drink sugar sweetened fruit drinks such as Kool-Aid and lemonade, sweet tea, and sports or energy drinks such as Gatorade and Red Bull? Do not include 100% fruit juice, diet drinks, or artificially sweetened drinks.
Damn, I'm sorry. You know, I'm talking to you, but I'm fishing. Can you repeat that again, please?
We're almost done with the survey. If you could just hold on for a little bit longer with me.
Yeah, I caught a fish too, you know. Go ahead.
Sorry, are you having a hard time hearing me?
No, I can hear you. If you can just repeat that last one, I'm sorry.
Oh yes, of course. So during the past 30 days, how often did you drink sugar sweetened drinks such as Kool-Aid and lemonade, sweet tea, sports or energy drinks such as Gatorade and Red Bull? Do not include 100% fruit juice, diet drinks, or artificially sweetened drinks.
I want to say 0 because normally I just take the one with sweetened flavor.
Okay. Over the last 2 weeks, how often have you been bothered by having little interest or pleasure in doing things? Would you say this happens never, several days, more than half the days, or nearly?
All right, we hook up with something. This thing ran pretty strong. I couldn't get the camera on fast enough, so I'm gonna let this play. I just don't want to lose it. Oh, woo boy! This is what we like, man. This is what we like. We got a double trouble here. Double trouble. Woo, man. The jack is definitely taking the lead. Whoa, yeah. That's what we're talking about. Man, this is awesome. Woo! Salmonetti on the fly. Salmonetti on the fly. Good size. Whoop. Oop, taking a poop. Sprayed all over me. Alright. Put that here for now. And we got a yellow spot on the jig. Man. Dispatch it real quick. Yellow spot. Good size. All right. Woo! All right. I'm pretty sure I got poop in my face. Oh. Yeah. Right on time. Came off here. Well, I'll put this aside. We might catch another one. We're at 35 feet of water where I caught this yellow spot. It may have friends. We never know. I tell you what, this condition is amazing. It hasn't been this calm in a long time. So I'm probably gonna stay here until nighttime, see if I can get any atula here, which I never caught any atula around this area. Not sure why they don't hang around this area. All right, we got something. Let me see this line first. Kind of got heavy for a little bit. Okay, nothing. Let's see if we can hook up anything big here. There's some indication. There you go. There you go. Let's see what's that. It ran pretty quick. What are you? You saw it. You heard that. You heard that on the video. It ran and then it quit. If I'm not mistaken, this is probably a grouper. They get the quick initial run and then they submit. Oh dang, look, got shark, and it's a good size grouper. Dang, got shark. Well, at least I got half. I'm gonna end the misery for this fish. This is not good, you know. That means there's shark around here. Something big. I'm hoping it's a gadao. I'm trying to get it fast because there's shark here. I got shark earlier. Oh yeah, I can see it. It's brown. Could be gadao. Oh yeah, check it out, boy. Woohoo! Yeah! What's up with this? Monster, man. Monster. Look at that. Monster. Monster. Oh, close his mouth. Come on. Now the scary part. Might jump on me. That's what I'm saying. You never know. Alright. I know I had my oh, I don't have it here. Where is it? Where is it? Man. There we go. Woo. It's like looking. When they're like this, man, they're all swollen up. But once you dispatch them, they go small, you know. Look at this monster right here. Look at that. Has a black spot on the tail. But freaking awesome catch right here. All right, I'm gonna stop talking because they may still be more. All right. So what I'm gonna do while I'm talking, let me see my line. Dang, I got get stuck right there. All right, I'm gonna put it back in the same spot here. Sure, snap. I'll scratch up just a little bit, but all right, time to dispatch this bad boy. All right. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, man, monster. So the so beautiful weather earlier, you know, got a little windy. So hopefully this is not gonna be like this for a long time. It's just gonna pass and it's gonna go calm again because the weather says it's supposed to be good majority of the day. So I know it's just probably changing temperature. But it got pretty choppy, so I'm only traveling it fluctuates 1.7 to 2 miles an hour. I think what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna live bait. Alright, I decided I'm gonna go live bait now. It's 5:47 on the way back. It's hard to decide what depth I want, but I think I'll go around 250 feet. I think I'll go around there, around 250 to 300. Right, using this bad boy right here. Live bait. Alright, these fish are pretty hardy, so I put it right at on the nose. Alright, wants to go already. We'll go about 250. Oh, wait, we'll go 250. Or 300. We'll go 300. Alright, we're gonna slow troll back. See if you catch any. So I didn't use any wire. Because if I catch a shark, I don't plan on keeping any shark. So if I hook a shark, it's just gonna cut it off, and I don't have to deal with it. So hopefully I catch a, if it's a jack or any other fish that don't have a sharp tooth, right? Should be fine. But if I got like a barracuda, it's gonna cut it off. Barracuda, shark, it's done. All right, we're going to slowly trawl back. It's almost 6 p.m. now. It's 5:53. So we'll keep it like that. So it's been 30 minutes since I live bait. It's now 6:26, almost 6:30. And just cruising very slow. Not even a strike. Makes you think, you know, if there's fish down there, no way they're not gonna try to strike a goatfish. That means no fish, even shark, nothing. I'm gonna do this for until I get closer to the channel, and then I'll reel it in. But right now it's been boring, falling asleep. I think this is the reason why I don't really dig live bait too much, because the waiting period, because you just don't know when there's a strike. I'm sure I'm gonna be motivated, but right now it's boring. All right, if I'm thinking I might stay past daylight. I'll stay a little bit, maybe an hour after sunset. See if I can find any atulay around this area. I mean, this is not that far from Humadak. Humadak is right over there. And when I tried to find some atulay over there, I didn't catch any. So maybe I'll try an hour. We'll see how tired I am tonight. I'm pretty tired right now. I think I'm just sleepy because it's boring. I need to get some real action to wake up. All right, it's been over an hour now, about an hour and 5 minutes, and nothing, no bite, no strikes, nothing. I'm about to reel in this live bait back and call it a day. Everyone's going back home now, even the regular fishermen. You'll see one in a little bit. I think they'll be catching some tuna back there at the end of Cocos Island. Yeah, I think they'll be catching some tuna over there. Half a day, everyone. These are the cats for the fishing trip. This is the next day after I ice them. So this is the grouper, pretty good size. And then I also went night fishing, but I didn't record any of the night fishing because I didn't have good lighting. And you know, it kind of sucks to watch when it's kind of blurry anyways. But these are the night fishing. I caught 2 good size red snappers, and of course we got some big eye nocturnal fish that are good for soup type dish, Filipino dish, including some of the blue striped snappers that are good for soups. And a Veo was able to catch a flying fish. My goal there was to try to catch some atulay, but I only caught one atulay that night, so they weren't around that area. But these are all good fish. Caught some good size spotted trevally. This one I'm not sure what kind of trevally is this, but it's darker. I think it's a yellow spot too. It's dark. I see a yellow spot right there. But overall, these are the money right here. Big snapper. Definitely gonna cook some sinigang with that, and then this probably sweet and sour, or just make some fish tacos with this pretty good fish. Look at that! Look at that head right there. Powerful fish.